In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Asana projects efficiently. Organizing projects and tasks can sometimes get overwhelming, so consolidating them can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it and make your Asana experience a bit more seamless and organized. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that Asana unfortunately doesn't offer an inbuilt feature to merge two projects directly. But don't worry, there's a workaround for this, and it's fairly straightforward. You'll start by multi-selecting all the tasks from the project you wish to merge. This approach allows you to take control of your tasks and move them to another project with ease. To begin, click on the project that contains the tasks you want to merge. This action will lead you to the project's overview, where you can see all the tasks laid out. Once there, click on the details of any task you wish to merge. Under the Projects section, you'll find an option that says Add to Projects. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll notice a list of all your other projects appearing before you. Select the project to which you want to add your tasks. By following these steps, you're effectively adding tasks from one project to another. This means any task you add will appear in both projects, offering you a consolidated view where you can manage everything in one place. It gives you a more integrated perspective of both projects, which can be a game changer when it comes to organization. Now, should you decide at any point that you don't need certain tasks appearing in both projects, that's easy to fix. Simply click on the X beside the project name in the task details. This action will remove it from one of the projects, ensuring that the task only appears in the project where you want it. This flexibility makes sure you maintain control over where each task resides, without cluttering your workspace with unnecessary duplications. By following these steps, you achieve a more integrated view of both projects without losing any vital project details. This method provides a seamless way to manage multiple projects effectively, ensuring that your workflow is both efficient and organized. Whether you're working on multiple teams or juggling several responsibilities, having your tasks consolidated helps prevent things from slipping through the cracks. I hope this helps you manage your Asana projects more effectively. Keep experimenting with these features to find what works best for your team and personal workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.